Today we have a video from A Matter of Crime, and the title of the video is Police Surprise Mom After Kids Found Crying in Car During Instacart Run.
Oh my God. Where's your mommy at?
When officers opened the unlocked car door, they found two small children crying inside. One of them was just 1 year old. The other was 6. Their mother had left them to shop in an unlocked car with the glasses wound up.
Wait, hold on. Before we continue, I can appreciate the fire editing. Like, did you see the transition? Did you see the transition from this into the little, whatever you want to call it, the little B-roll? This was fire.
When officers opened the unlocked car door, they found two small children crying inside. One of them was just 1 year old. The other was 6. Their mother had left them to shop in an unlocked car with the glasses wound up. A lot could have happened within that short moment of negligence.
Both doors are unlocked. Yeah, and all the doors are unlocked.
Anybody can walk up, jump in the car, and take off and leave.
On February 4th, 2025 in Solon, Ohio, outside a Giant Eagle grocery store, police were called after a passerby noticed the children alone in a running car. Officers said the kids had been left there for more than 15 minutes while their mother shopped inside.
Yeah, that's it.
Yeah, I've been out here probably 5 minutes, and someone came in and told us, I'm estimating it's been at least 10 minutes. I don't know how old the little girl is, and then you got the baby there.
Have they talked to you?
What's that?
Have they talked to you?
No, I didn't want to scare them.
Yeah, I know what you mean.
Yeah, so I was just standing by, making sure they were okay, but I had a customer come in concerned. They're sitting there by themselves.
John David Boyd, 55.
Okay.
010
He's a new guy, so I'm trying not to give him any hints on what we should do, because he should know by now. So he's trying to prove himself.
Kit Davis, 55-year-old female from Bedford Heights. She's out.
Yeah.
That's a good trainer. I like when, whatever. I'm gonna continue it, and then we gonna spin back on this topic though.
Get out of the way.
What's that? Nothing. Just work with him. I'm not here. I'm just observing.
Oh. If you show cameras on.
My camera's on.
Go ahead.
Let's swear in front of the kids.
Oh my God.
Hello, how are you? You okay?
Where's your mommy at?
3631 radio. What? I'm back to those.
I think what we'll end up doing is if we can't find a phone number, we'll just have you guys page them in the store. Okay. And then we'll try to get a hold of her that way. We'll handle it.
Can you get her mom's name, maybe, other than mom?
We had it when we were in the day.
Okay, I'll go page her if you want.
Other guy's going in
96 minutes plus also. Okay.
How old are they? 1 and what?
6 and 1.
You're what?
Unlocked door.
Yeah, I know, right?
There you go.
Okay, I did locate a number. I'm attempting it now.
I copy. The doors were unlocked and we were able to speak to the children. They seem alright.
I copy.
The one child is 6 years old, the other is 1.
I was muted. Mom better get ready to find somebody to come pick up these kids, because you going to jail for sure, for sure.
Wait, so what? What are we doing?
What, you said a child
Site? Oh, what if it's not mom driving? We don't know who's supposed to be responsible for him right now. Could be grandma. Yeah. Yeah, right. You never know. I know. Jeez. Hello. Are you mom? Okay. Talk to her.
You guys don't need me?
We're good. Yeah. You're inside if we need you though. You can't leave your kids in the car by themselves like that.
Well, they were sleeping, and I just wanted to get in there really quick for their dinner. What's wrong? Are they crying or something?
Yeah, they were crying, and then
Both doors are unlocked.
yeah, and all the doors were unlocked.
Anybody can walk up and jump in the car and take off and leave.
Do you have your driver's license on you?
Yes, I do. I'm so tired.
Yeah.
So sorry.
I've had 2 car accidents in
And then,
Tom and Joel.
were you just shopping or?
Yeah.
You sitting back there?
Yeah, they were crying. I'm like, I gotta calm my babies down.
Okay. Here's your license.
Thank you.
And we are giving you a citation for child okay? And you do have a court date, 26th of February at 9 a.m., okay?
Okay.
So this is the first street. So let me put you this way. When we get calls of dogs being left in a hot summer car or whatever, we write the people a ticket for animal cruelty. These are little human beings, right? We take a little more care of them than our own pets.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? I'm not saying this doesn't make you a bad mother or anything like that.
It's feeling
But
Okay.
you got a 1-year-old that needs you. You can't leave him in a car like that.
Yeah, I know. She was sleeping. But I did not know the doors
Someone
were
could have smashed your
unlocked.
car, right?
No, you're right.
Someone could have taken your kids, you know what I mean? But also, I mean, you don't seem like
You're
a
right.
terrible
Thank you.
person or whatever.
No, I am not. I promise
The
you.
other option to that would have been actually taking you to jail.
I know. I thought I should
Somebody coming to get you,
And I'm surprised they're not.
Thank you for
We're good.
giving me grace. I promise I'm not a bad.
If you have any questions, just it should be a phone number on the back, I believe. You can call that.
Make sure you got a phone number? Yeah, let me get a phone number for you.
When she returned, she told police she had only gone in quickly to get dinner and believed the children were asleep. Both children were safe, but police warned how quickly situations like this can turn dangerous. Nationwide, dozens of children are left unattended in cars that are later stolen every year. The mother, 26-year-old Michael Davis, was charged with child and was given a court date. Authorities continued to stress one simple rule: never leave a child alone in a car, not even for a minute.
This was really, really good on both sides, because you could tell the mom, yes, she made a bad judgment call. Yes, she did. She made a mistake. But when she came out, it's all about how you conduct yourself. She came out, they asked for her information, this and that. She was cordial. She was nice. She even went to the back to check on the kids, you know what I mean? And gave the IDs. She was very pleasant. Things like that play a role in whether you go to jail or not. Honestly, they can take you to jail and have you call grandma and this and that, or they could give you a cite and release. And, a lot of times we don't see people, they come up with a whole bunch of excuses and da-da-da and yelling and hooting and hollering. And those are the ones. If she came out with that attitude, she would be going to jail. For sure. For sure. But hopefully she learns from it. That was a very dangerous situation. But to go back to what I said I was going to spin back on, which was the topic of the guy being new and the senior officer letting him go through his progressions and do it on his own. Now, I like a supervisor or a trainer like that you know the basics. I'm gonna let you do it. Now, obviously, he's gonna step in if he does something really, really wrong, you know, but let him go through it. He's not gonna be perfect. He's not gonna, you know, get everything correctly, you know, like just like the guy didn't, you know, check the doors to see if the door was open. The other guy did that or whatever. But that's something that, you know, you should see. But he's learning, because that's the best way. You gotta throw him out there, feed him to the wolves, give him a good foundation and feed him to the wolves. Don't micromanage him. Just let him do it. Let him work through it, work it out, because that's how you learn faster. You might make a mistake on this, but the next time you gonna get it right, you know? And that's how you find your groove. So I love that. Now you say, hey, this is a new guy, you know, but I'm letting him, he should know what to do. So I'm gonna let him, you know, work it out, go through it. And you could tell he was new, you know, but that's the best way to learn, man. It's the best way to learn. Micromanaging and all that stuff, no, it ain't gonna work. It ain't gonna work. But yeah, so overall, I give the officers, in my eyes, 5, man. I think both of them conducted themselves. She made a mistake. The mom made a mistake. She realizes her mess up. She was cordial. She was pleasant. The officers, they did their job. They got their point across, got her a citation, gave her the little talking to, the little lesson, and everything was good. Everything was good. Kids is good. Everything is good. So 5 out of 5. Let me know in the comment section below how well you think the officers did. I'm glad you made it till the end of the video. Before you go, if you want early access to YouTube videos before they get let out to the public, please consider becoming a channel member. And if you want exclusive access to videos that will not be on YouTube, please consider becoming a Patreon member, and I'll catch you in the next video. The links are in the description box.